guys, this is an exciting evening here. Hello from Gabs in London, Gabor studio. I just received this amazing little exciting package from America, from Julian at DRUMANDSTAGE Sonor. And I'm very excited to open it with you, sharing this excitement. It's, I know it's probably funny and pathetic that after 30 years of collecting this beautiful beast behind me, I can still get excited about receiving a couple of screws. But you know, it's just like if you do something with passion and excitement and enthusiasm in you, honest one, then you get excited about trying to finish parts that were sort of partially completed and some spare parts that were missing screws and washers and original parts. So let's see what we got in here. Oh my God, the precision, look at this. Wow, I leave this for the last, I think, because there's something very special. I know what that is, but I can't tell you just now. Look at the precision here. Wow, everything is separately packaged and looked after. Oh my God. You can tell that someone who's done it, they must be a Sonor lover, like an honest, long time running Sonor lovers. Let me see what's the first thing in here. Honestly, I don't know, so I'm sharing this excitement. I know what I ordered, of course, but oh my God, yeah, this is a beautiful part. This is the little clamp that goes onto the boom arm of the signature boom stand on the arm, and that sort of angles the tilter. So you put it on this rod, this tube rather, and then you can turn the tilter and change the angle. So that's a beautiful little part with the original wing nut, of course. That's wonderful. Thank you, Julian. Absolutely amazing. And then I have something else in here, packaged separately. Let me see what that is. I have a clue, but I gotta check this out. If I'm not mistaken, yeah, from the shape of it, I think these must be the levers for the double thumb holder, like these ones. If you can see from there, they should be these ones, the long levers for the signature, and you know, highlight and all the other double thumb holders. Wow. Ooh, look at this. Mint. Oh my God. I recommend you to check out Julian's listing. I know he's selling a lot of stuff at the moment. So if you want to get lucky, get in touch with him, and you can get beautiful replacement parts and spare parts like these ones. They look new. Wow, beautiful. Thank you for that. So I have 3 of those, and then I have this. Let's see, what's this? Incredibly precisely packaged. Wow. Okay, so there's a signature wing nut with a bolt and a spring on it, the original one. Now these are very important to me because I have loads of these spare parts which I can't use at the moment, couldn't use at the moment, because I didn't have the bolt and the wing nut. I've got like 10, 12 of these thumb holders. Of course, you don't really put them together like this, because one of them should be the bottom part, like this, the thin one, and then you put a thumb holder on. So you have to combine them, yeah, like this one. So that would be the bottom, and this would be the top. Yeah, so this one's original wing nut with the bolt and the spring on it. Thank you. Wonderful. And then what else we got? Ooh, we got original beautiful. I think these are the hi-hat clutch screws that go into the hi-hat clutch, and then you can tighten them. And also I think I had a cowbell holder or something that had this size and this type of thread. So they're wonderful. I'm very happy about this. You can never have enough spare one of these. So that's another 3 little screws there. And what else I've got? Let me see. Oh, what a beauty box. And this one should be the wing nut. Yeah, I need loads of these because you have the original wing nuts. These going to help you to put the final touches. Oh yes, these are the original Sonor signature wing nuts. Now this is magic for a collector like me, when you can get these wonderful wing nuts from Sonor. Now these are exactly the ones that I need. Say for example, for this tom holder, you know, I've got the bottom part and the actual tom holder. I didn't have the wing nuts, so once you put them on, it's just going to look like perfectly new and original. Wonderful little thing there. So you got the bolt, and then you got the spring in between them, so they're nice and, you know, finger tight, but it's not like rigid, so you can actually adjust it nicely, and it's also quiet and quick. So you got you've got the spring in between them, then you just tighten it. You got the bottom part going to the tom holder in here, and then you got the tom holder part. And now I've got the beautiful wing nut. Yay! Bring it on. Or also for this, same thing. That's a wonderful, almost perfect cymbal arm, a boom arm, but this screw is completely wrong. So this is a tom holder screw with a lever. So I will need another. Luckily, this one has the same size thread in it. But look at this, how much better this is going to look with the original wing nut. This is done. Yep, wonderful. This one is completely wrong. This is like a plastic something in there. I definitely gotta replace it. It's just a plastic replacement. That was the only thing I could find which had the same thread. So now another original wing nut goes up here. I just love saving these parts, you know, because it's so difficult. They're not on sale anymore, so you need to find the original one. So that's one, that's two, and the third one's missing as well, because this one is a long lever from another tom holder, which I had to move over here so I can sort of complete, at least fix the position and use the boom arm. Now this one, oops, sorry, I dropped it. So this one goes in here. And now it's all original. Yay! With 4 original wing nuts. One on top, one for the tilter, one halfway through the boom arm with this little clamp, and one is here with the bottom part to sort of change the angle, how you want to put it into the double tom holder. So that's that. Lots of wonderful original wing nuts, and then here comes the thing that's a piece of beauty. And let me see this. I'm just gonna cut this little nylon off because I'm going on. I'm cracking on and on and keep talking. Sorry for taking your time. Just wanted to really share this excitement. So this is not a fake video like many people do. I literally opened these things right now. together with you. Oh my God. Okay, so this is something really special. This is an original Sonor signature hi-hat clutch in original nylon. Brand new, 0 kilometers. So this is wonderful. I don't even want to open it. Okay, let me try it. Let me see if I can. And probably after that I can still put it. Oof. Yeah. So this is a beauty. Look at this. Absolutely brand new. Wonderful. From all sides and all angles. This is lovely. This is great. Well, thank you, Julian. DRUMANDSTAGE Sonor. Check out the YouTube channel. Sign up if you haven't yet. We're going to have some new videos for you. Really special videos from the UK drum show. This year I'm doing the main stage with Gavin Harrison, Todd Zuckerman, Jos Nichols playing as well. Mark Richardson from Skunk NNC is gonna be there on the signing session. All the guys from Germany, from Sonor are gonna be there. So this is a very exciting year, and I'm looking forward to check in next time from the UK drum show, the Liverpool ACC Arena and Conference Centre. This is gonna be a year to remember. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to sign up to Julian's channel. All the very best. Bye for now. Gabs. Cheers.